It's unreal. Got like 4 inches of snow. And it's a blizzard. It is a blizzard. Branches are cracking all around. It's like, oh my goodness. Wow. I can't even believe it. Here's my boots. Walking in the snow. This is crazy. There's some big branches. One's on the roof of the house. You can see it over there. Zoom in. Just missed the windows. Tried to pull it off, but then there was a big crash, so I left. I ran in the house. Get my camera. There's a big branch over there. You could hear branches snapping all around the neighborhood. In the woods. There's a lot of woods around here. And this big tree, those branches are ready to snap. Because usually those branches are, you know, like straight up. This one here. But this is unreal. So I had to come out here. Something cracked back here. And I don't know where it was, but I don't want to go too close. Just walk around the yard. As you could see, the wind's picking up. This is a crabapple tree. And this tree, this Christmas tree, is beautiful. Love that tree. Let's see. All the Christmas trees. This tree's ready to snap. It's pretty, but it's scary too. All these branches. There's the branch. Wow, don't even know where that came from. You could hear in the background crack, crack. I don't know what this tree is. Oh, it came right out of the ground. Wow, roots and all. Oh, that was the old weeping willow. There's my little Christmas tree I planted a couple of years ago. But see all the branches? There's one. There's some big ones. There's the back of the house. Unreal. They're going to be cracking off more. We got to get out of here. Oh, I can't even go through. Check this out. It's a cave. A cave underground. Uh-oh. Hear that crack? That's a tree getting ready to come down.